In this video, you will learn how to log formulas in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have opened an Excel sheet and I have logged these formulas. If I double click on this, you can see here we cannot edit these formulas because I have logged these cells. In addition, you can still make the changes in values and Excel will calculate average according to the new values. For example, I will change this one to 9,000 instead of 8,000. Press enter. Now you can see here average values is changed. So you can make changes in these values, but you cannot edit these formulas because I have logged these cells. So let's learn how to log formulas in Microsoft Excel. To log formula, firstly click on this corner. I will click here. Now you can see here whole sheet is selected. Place your cursor anywhere on sheet and right click. Here you will find the option of format cells. Select this one. In format cell, go to this protection tab, select this one and uncheck this locked. I will deselect this one. After that, click on OK. Now click on this sheet. Now I will select formula containing cell to lock these cells. For that purpose, go to Home tab and here you will find the option of editing. From editing, go to this option which is the find and select. Select this one. Here is the option of go to special. Select this one. From here I will select formulas and make sure you have selected all these numbers, text, logicals as well as errors. After selecting this one, click on OK. Now you can see here we have selected all cells that contain formulas. Now place your cursor on any selected cell and right click. Here you will find the option of format cell. Select this one. From format cell, go to this protection tab and here you will find the option of log. Select this one and click on OK. Now we have logged this cell, but it will not work until we protect it. Now go to review tab and here you will find the option of protect sheet. Select this one. Now it is asking for password. I will write password and select these two options. Click on OK. Again type your password. Again click on OK. Now we have locked these cells and protected our formulas. For example, if I click here, now you can see here it is asking for password. I can still make changes in these values and Excel will calculate the average on the basis of new values. For example, I will write 12,000. Press enter. Now you can see here average values is changed now. Now you will learn how to unlock these cells. To unlock these cells, again go to review and click on this unprotected sheet. It will again ask for password. I will write password. Click on OK. Now if I double click on it, you can make changes in formula. So by following this video, you can easily lock and unlock formula cells in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.